We've got a new member of the crew over there. Hello, mate. He's following us about, so this video might just be about Claire trying to steal someone's cat. I've just picked the damn thing up. Claire? Whose cat is that? That's not right.
This week just sliced pieces.
Has it got a collar? No. Cat, you've just randomly stolen someone's cat.
I like it.
Claire,
What?
that's someone's cat.
My cat now.
No, it's not.
I found it. There's some cheese. Can you scratch me? Yeah. Have it. He's ravenous. Needs a home.
Don't give a fuck. It's not fair.
Call it Nando. Nando 2.
No.
He's well looked after. Like Kevin be gutted.
Well, it's not metal.
I'm not sure though because it's got fleas behind his neck.
Oh.
It's quite a way out for a cat to go, especially one of these, because these are usually house cats.
Yeah.
It's a ragdoll, isn't it?
It's kind of ragdoll, yeah. Definitely.
One of my customers has got one. So stupid. You pick it up and it just flops.
Yeah, that's what the beauty of them are.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look, she loves his new daddy.
Oh. This is a bit random.
I shall call you Slash.
Yeah. What?
RC cat.
Oh, sea cat. Want more cheese?
Is that all the cheese?
There you go.
See the spicy
We got a new mascot for the.
Gizmo used to like
Gizmo
a
likes
spicy.
spicy.
Don't give him any of that.
Oh, one of our cats used to love them.
No, that's spicy. Don't scare him off with spicy food. They're Persians, aren't they? They've got really funny diets.
No, it's just eating cheese.
Yeah, yeah, cheese at the spice.
Gizmo used to fish him out the bag, didn't he?
You
What?
Just opened it, just.
just offered it to a feral cat and then eaten it yourself.
It's a posh feral cat, it's alright.
How is it a posh feral cat?
They're probably the dirtiest ones of them all.
Lick its arse now.
But just stealing them. Enticing them into the bag.
Be one of our stupid cats. It's great, isn't it?
Come say hello to your Uncle Pat. Come on, mate. Hello, boy. You tell us all about it. What happened? What happened, mate? Are you lost? You might lick it off a lot. You want a vape? A rollie? No? Just want some fuss, don't you, boy? Hey? Or girl? Very skinny. I think Claire's going to have to take you home. Really, how would you feel about that?
Single along, right?
You're just chilling, mate, aren't you? Hey? Oh, Ian, sending a photo to Lucy, you know what that means? She's trying to get Lucy on side. So majestic, ain't you, boy? Yeah. Mate. I'm going to call you mate. Claire's no friend. Hey. Hey, you. Who are you? Hey. Hey, you. Oh. You got flea bites.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you have. Meow. 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 Thank you for your fleas. Thank you. Sharon's caring. Meow. You're setting me up.
I'm licking you.
It's licking me now. What the hell? I'm on the dinner. I'm on the menu. What the hell? Oh, he's hungry. No. Claire's got jealous. You got kisses. I got kisses. You didn't. Oh, poor Claire. He's like trying not to scare it away. He's like, that cat's not coming home. Oh. Guys, Claire is keeping this cat, I think. Look at that smile. Boy or girl?
Are you a boy or a girl? I don't know, it's too much fluff.
The way you just checked.
There's no... Like you fluff out the way.
Oh, it does seem upset. Hi everyone, so the cat was not stolen by Claire. It was returned down to the nearest road where there's houses. There's no other houses in the vicinity, or as Kev would say, vicinity. There was no other houses around for miles. These are the only houses that are there, and it was probably just under a mile away from where we found the cat originally. So Claire carried it down to the bottom of the track. Hopefully it was, you know, a resident of one of the houses down there, because there is no other houses. I just want to make that clear. We've left it in a safer place than it already was, because it could have followed us up the track when we were arriving and could have easily been lost, or we made us scared it up the track when we turned up with our RC cars, etc. So Claire carried it all the way down to the bottom of the hill and then put it down on the floor, and it ran into some gardens. So I'm hoping it should be okay. It's definitely in a safer place than we left it. I know this isn't my normal content, guys, but you know, it's just it's my channel and I like to have a laugh, and it's funny to wind Claire in here and up, and as you can see in the video, it was quite amusing. So anyway, there'll be some more better content coming up very soon. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, smash that bell button. Also, check out Claire's channel. Maybe go and wind her up about the cat. That would make my day. I'm going to leave a link in the description box for her channel. Anyway, cheers for watching, guys. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.